You got gloves on, I see.
I was prepared just in case.
Come on in. I'll take the free help, guys. In fact, maybe we'll let her run the sawmill today, and I'll be the swamper.
Don't have my glasses on.
You're going to need the green hearing protection.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll see her back out here in a few minutes, guys. All right. My wife and I we watched Tractor Man 44 this morning run his OS27, and his wife ran the OS27.
She was pushing it.
She was pushing it. I'm going to teach her how to run these controls. What's the worst that can happen?
You know, with me.
But you're doing great! When it gets to the end, when you see it stop cutting, I'll give you a...
Dress it. I got it. I didn't know if I had to throttle.
Remember, full speed back, and then you slow it down when it gets to about here.
Okay.
We just don't want to bang it into this. There you go. Once you're past the end of the log, you can stop. Good work. That's good. Now I'll flip it. We're going to talk about the scale now. So now we're going to go down, and we're going, let me see here. Let's get us down there. I'll get this all clamped up yet still too. I want to get a little closer so I can see where I'm at. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to get 5. So we're going to use the red line. I'm going to go up. All right, see that red line on the 6?
Yeah.
This is called 6/4. There's 4 quarters in an inch, right?
Right.
4 over, okay? So this is 1.5 inch boards we're going to make. So every time now when we go down to the end, we'll lift up, come back over the board, and then we'll go down to the next one, then the next one, then the next one. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards like I thought. Okay?
Okay.
And now we'll make sure we do it together. So go ahead and put your stuff on. Let me get the look. So what I do is I just stand up and look. I go down past it, then I come up. It's a family affair. That's good. Good. What can I do for you?
During this section of the video, Jill really takes control of this log. I really don't even have to step in too many times to show her what's happening. She's starting to understand. She's starting to get into the rhythm. You'll see me go over and address a couple of things here and there, but she's doing most of it on her own now. This gentleman stopped by and was asking me about some white oaks he had and about milling them up for him. So maybe we have a future job.
That one too thick? That
What?
one too thick?
A little bit. We want to go to 1.5 again. Go back to that. I'm going to flip it. What'd you think?
Isn't bad.
Even though nerve-wracking at times. Probably at first you're not sure. Don't go fast. Don't do that.
I was okay with that. It was just making sure that's why I always had you check the number because
No, you did well.
For some reason, we lost some video and we lost some audio. So this next little clip will be silent. Sorry about that. I'm going to double these two cans up and we're going to cut our boards 2 at a time. Here it comes again, guys. Wait for it.
That's irritating.
What happened?
Wait.
Oh.
I think part of the problem is my mics are starting to cut out. The batteries are getting low.
One sharpen on it. I wrote it on it. For sure. All right, guys, we'll be right back with you. You know my display for these Ripper 37. This is one sharpen on it. That's it right on it. 37. Look, right at the weld. Probably 75% of mine have been breaking at the weld in this batch. I'm getting close to ordering another set of blades, and I will talk to them. All right, guys, how did you like it?
I liked it. It was fun to learn that. I wasn't sure how I could handle it, but it was fine with your guidance.
You did well.
Did a couple mistakes, but
No.
nothing major.
Nothing
I
happened.
didn't ruin anything, did
Yeah, no, I broke the blade, not you. We broke another one, as you saw. Get frustrating on that. But I think we got all the white oak this gentleman needs. So that will do it, guys. Hopefully you like this content. If you do, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you later.
Have a good one.